morning, everybody. Welcome to Bumgar's Family Farm. I'm just getting out here to do chores this morning. Sun's up already. About 65 degrees here in Iowa this morning. Real nice morning. We're gonna go get some feed for the chickens quick. We'll let them out and let them eat. Run over to the bin on the other side of the yard here, get some feed for them. The one good thing about, or one of the good things about our farm, they used to be a pig farm here, is we got a couple of really nice big bins that were left here when we bought the place. One bucket in my wagon. And my second bucket. And here's bucket number 3 for the morning. And I only feed them in the morning when I let them out. So that's all the feed I give our chickens for the day. Alright, we got that full. Got the grill cart full of feed there. We'll go back over to the chickens. All the way back across the yard. Really happy we have this grill cart. I don't have to carry 3 buckets across the yard every day. That would get kind of old in a hurry. You see the girls here. They are ready to get out. And you hear the ducks too. They seem really ready to get out. Put that there. Jump over the fence. Now I'm going to have to learn, if I keep doing this, how to feed a bucket with one hand. Not sure how everybody does that. And a full 5-gallon bucket feed, kind of hard to dump out with one hand. See if I can set this here without putting it in any chicken poop. There's one. And we'll go get another one. Alright, see, I got that feed all run out in that first area of weeds there. Encourage them to go in there and scratch it up and take out some of them weeds for me. Real helpful. Now we'll go let out the chickens. And the ducks and the geese. There's my door. Open this up. Here they come. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the turkeys. There's a goose. One of our white Chinese geese, guard geese. Everybody is over to the feed already. There's the other goose. Noisy buggers. They're running over there. There we go. Park the wagon back in its spot. Yes, the whole first shot. There we go. Alright. The sun's in a really bad place there. And go inside the coop. And try not to get pooped on. Put the bars down, let them out. Or let them in the nesting boxes. Yeah, right now we've got a stationary coop. I'll show you pretty soon the future coop we're going to be using to have them out in the pasture. We'll walk over here and check the rabbits. Our growing rabbits out here on the pasture in their little rabbit tractor. Here's my little rabbit tractor that I bought this cage from a sale. I don't know what they were using it for, but it's kind of a weird cage. And I fixed it up and using it for this, and it works alright. I gotta build a few more. We're gonna get some more doe, or the plan is to get some more does, and then I want to have one tractor for each doe. I've actually got 2 litters in here that are mixed together, which has been working pretty well, but not ideal. Hopefully next summer we'll have a lot better setup for them. But this is the first year we've had meat rabbits. We used to have Polish rabbits for our kids to show, but we got rid of them and got some better meat rabbits. Time to move them. There we go. Put the rope back up here. Just like that. And then I come back over here and pull it back. I'll set you right here, watch the rabbits, and then start eating. Pull this back a little bit. Like that. Pull the grass up. And look at them go. They just start eating right away. They just love it. It's really fun to watch. But you can see their feeder's empty, so we need to go get them some feed. Back over to the shop where all the breeding rabbits are. Yeah. Sun's in not the nicest spot for me to be doing this morning. We go over to the shop. Come in here. Turn the lights on. Open the door. Open that door. I got wire on it. Over here, there's one rabbit. It's one of my kids' rabbits. And there's our big California doe. And a couple of Holland does that I think we're going to sell. Buy some more Californias. She's actually due today. But nothing going on in there. This doe is another one of my kids' little Rex does. They've got a couple Rex does. That's their grandma. Let's see if she's got anything going on in here. Does not look like it. No hair or nothing yet. Oh well, let's see what comes of it. We need to find the scoop. Well, I guess I can just take this cup out there. Not out of feed again. Tell you, when you got this many rabbits, feed goes pretty fast. So hopefully you guys like this video and you'll let me do more. Like learning about our farm and homestead. I'm gonna have to crawl in there a second to get that feeder out. Alright, got the feeder out. Put the feed in here for him. And I totally missed that shot. There we go. Put the feed in there for him. Watch out, guys. Put the feeder in. There, and let them eat that too. They eat a lot of grass, but they still need to have pellet to get all the vitamins and minerals that they need. There we go. Shut this. Humid this morning. That thing's tight when it's humid. Grab my cup. So Jake down here, I think he's an American Fuzzy Lop or something like that, knocked his water down, so I gotta go get him some water. He's a rabbit that I bought last fall because he was in a really nice cage and I wanted the cage, and then I was gonna flip him and bring him to the next sale I went to. But of course my kids fell in love with him, so he's still here and probably will be for as long as he's here. He is, I call him a mascot. He's more of a pet. He's really, really calm and cuddly. That put together there. Move back over here. See if I can do this with one hand. There we go. Now Jake's got water again. Alright, I'll go check if Benny's had babies yet. I don't think so. We've thought for a couple weeks she was close, but I think she's further off than we thought. And there's Lacey, our guard dog that likes to run. She thinks her territory is way bigger than it is, so until I can get her broke of that, she still stays. She gotta stay in here on her big long chain. Pigs aren't in the hut. Usually they're in the hut in the morning. Must have been nice and cool last night. They slept outside, and there they are. Our cooney breeding pair. Penny and Boomer. Yeah, no babies. He maybe looks a little bit closer this morning, but Penny's bred to a different boar. And we got Boomer, a breeder for her next litter, but he's a pretty young guy yet, so hopefully by next spring he'll be ready to breed. And we'll get some babies out of them together. He's got a great personality for a little boar. Yeah, we got him in this little yard for now, just because Penny's close to farrowing, and I don't want her. I want her to be able to farrow in that little shed and this good wire fence around here. Keep the pigs as safe as possible. But as soon as she's farrowed and pigs are big enough, they'll all get out on pasture. But I don't know. You know, it's the middle of August already. By the time they're big enough, pasture might be done for the year. So might be too cold for them. They'll have to go inside for the winter. And the nice winter housing we'll have. Time will tell. Hopefully she farrows in the next week. A little bit of time on grass yet this fall. Alright, and I promised you that I would give you a sneak peek. Even though this isn't a video about the future, this is just an intro video. But I promised to give you a little sneak peek of our future mobile chicken coop. So, here it is. It's an old horse trailer. I tore the floor out of. And we're going to put wire in and put nest boxes in and put some roosts up here. And then should be a nice chicken coop. Run around all over the pasture with and get them chickens out of that static run. I'm really sick of that. And I think they are too. Alright, I think that's a nice amount of light. So yeah, I just wanted to explain. At the beginning I said, welcome to Bumgar's Family Farm. This is our small farm in northwest Iowa, where we raise produce, which I didn't show you any of because I don't really do any chores for the produce. We raise produce, chicken eggs, table eggs that we sell through a few different wholesale deals that we've got going on. One restaurant and a big grocery store and a couple smaller stores. We sell duck eggs at the farmer's market, produce at the farmer's market, and then sell rabbits privately off the yard and raise some rabbits for our own consumption. And also, the kids like to show the rabbits. Hopefully, we'll get to one open show this fall yet. And then we just got the Cooney pigs just a few weeks ago, really. So we'll see how that goes. I've been around regular hogs pretty much all my life. Raised pigs when I was in high school and after high school. This is just a little bit of a different deal. So that was a nice little intro for you, I think. Hope you guys like the video. Well, today is Wednesday for here. So that means it's a farmer's market day. We have a farmer's market in a town a little ways away this afternoon and evening. So today is a harvest day. It's the next day. Sorry I didn't get any video of harvesting or washing, packing. And we didn't have a lot of washing and packing to do right now. We're kind of in between different successions of lettuce and other things, so we're not really bringing much of that right now. Wish I was, but it didn't work out that way. I didn't get any video at market or anything either. It was kind of crazy afternoon getting everything set up. So I'll try and get to working on this video and try and get it posted here pretty soon. Maybe tomorrow I'll get some video of harvesting, but sounds like this afternoon through about Saturday night's a pretty good chance of rain, so I don't know if I'll be able to get any video done. It's gonna be kind of hard to take video in the rain of harvesting, so we'll see what happens. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys subscribe and follow along with us. I'll got an idea for a couple other videos coming up to explain more of what we do and our big plans for the future. So stay tuned for that. Thanks. Bye.